Students, good morning to all of you. In the last year, we have studied Cost and Management Accounting 1 and Cost and Management Accounting 2. See, under Cost and Management Accounting 1, you have studied the basic concepts, nature, subject matter of cost accounting, then cost unit, cost center, etc. Then you have studied how to calculate the cost of a product, that is with the help of cost sheet. Then you have studied about the material cost. Then you have studied about the labor cost, that is calculation of material cost, labor cost, etc. Then you have also studied preparation of integrated and non-integrated accounts, that is ledger accounts, and you have studied the calculation of overheads, that is under primary distribution method, secondary distribution method. Then you have also studied about the machine hour rate, etc. So all these, that is in the second year, you have studied the basic things about cost accounting. So this year also we have this cost and management accounting third in this semester. So under cost and management accounting third, we are going to see the methods of costing. Then methods of costing means here the costing method that is followed to calculate the costs. See, different costing methods are followed by different organizations, or depending upon the nature, depending upon the work, different types of costs or cost calculation methods are adopted by the business organizations. That is known as here methods of costing. So here we have job and batch costing method, then contract costing, process costing, then operating costing. The job and batch costing is also a method of costing which is applied where work is performed on the basis of a order or on the basis of specifications given by the customers. And batch costing is also a method of costing which is followed where production is in batches. Then another one is contract costing. Contract costing is also a method of costing which is followed where work is done on contract basis. Construction work, basically construction work is under contract basis. Then another method of costing is process costing. Process costing is a method of costing which is followed where production involves a number of processes. That is, to get the final product, the raw material has to pass through different processes. Then we have operating costing. Operating costing is also a method of costing which is followed where specialized services are rendered. So here operating cost is mainly adopted by organizations or units which render specialized services. See, for example, transport service, that is transportation of goods or transportation of passengers. So these are the important methods of costing, and these chapters are there in the cost and management accounting third subject. And apart from these, you have byproducts and joint products. See, by calculation of cost of byproducts and calculation of cost of joint products. Actually, these joint products and byproducts come under the process costing. It is nothing but process costing method where we calculate the cost of products. So the first chapter is job and batch costing. So here we study what is a job costing, the meaning, the nature of job costing. Then we also calculate the cost of a job. Then another one is batch costing. Again, the meaning of batch costing, nature of batch costing, and how to calculate the cost of a batch. So job costing, a method of costing where we calculate cost of a job. Here, job means here, it is not the employment. Job means here the work. Job here means work, is not employment, or job of that is a post of a driver, or post of a conductor, or post of a clerk, etc. It is here work. So under job costing, the manufacturer first receives the work order from the customer. Then after getting the work order from the customer, he starts the production. So here the production is according to the specifications of the customer. So here customer gives the instructions, then after receiving the order and instructions from the customer, the production is carried on by the manufacturer. So the best example for this job costing is printing press. Under printing press, here cards or your invitations, etc. are here printed only after receiving the order from the customer. And again here cards or invitations are prepared according to the instructions or specifications given by the person or by the customer. So how to prepare a cost, or how to calculate the cost of a job? So under job costing, the cost is ascertained similar to our unit costing method. Under unit costing, we take the one unit and we take all the costs incurred by that unit, say here prime cost, then overheads, etc. Then we calculate the total cost. So here also, to calculate cost of a job, we prepare a cost sheet. So under cost sheet, first we take direct expenses, direct material, direct labor, then direct expenses. Then we add it and we get the prime cost. To the prime cost we add overheads. First of all, we take all the factory overheads. After adding the factory overheads, we will get the factory cost. Then to the factory cost we add administration overhead, and after adding this administration overhead, we will get the cost of production. Then to the cost of production we add selling and distribution overheads, and after adding selling and distribution overheads we will get the total cost. Then to the total cost, certain percentage of profit is added, then we will get the selling price. And so also under job costing, we ascertain cost of a job by preparing a cost sheet. Then another concept here is batch costing. Under batch costing, we know that cost of a batch of production, batch of products. See, this batch costing is adopted mainly in the manufacture of toys or in pharmaceutical industries. You can see the wrapper of tablets, the batch number is written. That means here the tablets are produced not in single units, but they are produced in batches of thousands, batches of hundreds, etc. So toys manufacturing is also one best example for this batch production. See, again under batch costing also, the cost of a product is calculated by preparing the cost sheet. And again under batch costing, here to calculate the cost of a batch or cost of a unit, here the total cost is divided by the batches, or total cost is divided by the units produced. So we will get the cost per unit. So these job costing and batch costing are the methods of costing which are followed by the industries in order to calculate cost of a job and cost of a batch. Okay. Just a second.